making those silly sounds, you stupid microwave. Ha ha. Let me open up this door and then close it. Ah! Hey, let's push all of our buttons. Yeah, dude, let's do that. Oh yeah. Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop. Ah! Stop pushing my buttons! Stop it! I'm gonna malfunction! Huh? What's happening to her? Beats me, man. Yo, time for this! Beep! Whoa! 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 Ah! Raining food! Let's get out of here, Tanner! Yeah, let's get out of here, dude! Ah! Something grab me! Ah! Tanner! Oh no, bro! Oh! Tanner! Save yourself! No! No! Koopa, my man! I must get out of her before she... Oh no, dude! She's got me as well! Ah! Ugh! Dude, let go of me! This is your punishment for what you've done to me! Babe! No! No! Dude, I'm sorry! I'm sorry! No! Ah! Oh mon Dieu! I must tell the other villains about this! Ugh. Guys! Huh? Oh, it's you, Cuba. What do you want? So this microwave who just ate 2 people! You should come and see it! Oh, okay. We're coming. Ah, what a perfect day to relax. So it is the microwave who just ate 2 people! It? I'm a she! Ow! Ow! Stop it! Stop! I'll snatch your soul for this, you stupid microwave! Beep! Stop! Stop touching my buttons! Beep! Oh no! It's happening again! Beep! What's going on, Bill? I don't know. Die, you numbskulls! Beep! Ah! Ew! Hey, you ruined my dress, you idiot! Huh? Ah! Oh my goodness! Hildong has got me! Don't worry, Cuba! I'll save you! Wow! Oh no! Ah! Let us go! We're so sorry! We'll never bully you again! It's too late to apologize now! Beep! No! Ah! Oh no! I must get out of here before I... Ah! Oh no! Oh! Am I really gonna get sucked into your mouth? Yes! Because I can't fail you! Babe! Oh! Goodbye, cruel world. Goodbye! Oh! Uh-oh! Ah, you're next, babe! Ah! Whoa! Get in my mouth, babe! Ew! Too big and sweaty! Ew! Wait, Her weakness is big things and sweaty things. Hey, I've got an idea. Why do I keep on killing people? Beep! I want to be kind and have friends. Beep! I don't want to be bad. Beep! Hola, señorita. Who are you? Beep! I'm Ponce de Leon. And you? Oh, I'm Lilith. Nice to meet you, Lilith. Hey, you have sweet buttons. Oh, oh, thanks. But don't touch them. I'll turn evil. Okay. I've covered this burger in my own sweat. Now I must press all of her buttons and then... Oh, I want to give you this. Huh? A rose for you, mi amor. That's so sweet of you, Beep. Oh, you're so nice, Puns. I know. Beep, 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 beep. Stop pushing my buttons! Beep! Oh, I'm going crazy again! I'll kill you for this! Beep! Wait! Before you attack me, have this burger. Burgers are my favorite food! Hand it over! I hate sweat! That burger has sweat in it! I hate it so much! I'm allergic to it! I'm dying! You made me sweat! Now have your stupid friends back! Ouch! Huh? Now goodbye forever, you fools! Oh. What happened? Beep! Lilith! Your evil spirit is gone! Wait, really? My evil spirit? Wait, I didn't know she had an evil spirit in her. Well, I used to, but not anymore. That spirit manipulated me into killing all of you. So I wanted to have friends and to be nice and kind forever. Beep. Oh, I'm sorry for bullying you. I'm sorry for bullying you too, dude. We're all sorry for bullying you, Lilith. Oh, I forgive you. Give me a kiss, Lilith. Mwah. Oh, Bunsy Boo.